Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Well, as I mentioned last Sunday, I was going to be out of pocket for the week. I was in northern Minnesota and the UP. It was just beautiful, had a great time. Just got home. I'm exhausted, but I wanted to I have a couple things I'm going to cover this weekend. I want to go over all my picks, probably do that tomorrow, but tonight I wanted to talk about MP Materials, symbol MP. It had a great week, and I'm making a rating change. I'm going from buy to neutral, and so let's get into it. This should be short and sweet. So here was the original inverse head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, like a man or woman hanging upside down. We got a breakout, we got a retest. I didn't get it perfect. I bought it actually rising on June 11th at 25.64. It shot out of a cannon. It went to 37.22. I went to neutral on June 18th. And then the next week it corrected and I went back to a buy. So from here, I just checked this out. From here to here, from the buy to the neutral, it was up 45%. And then it corrected. I want to say it corrected like 11% or something, but don't hold me to that. Anyway, I went back to a buy rating a week later, 10 days later at 32.90. And I'm going to a neutral rating. I'm sorry, I don't have it on here, but I will put it on here when I get done. So I'm officially going neutral at 45.11. If I would have been here on Thursday or Friday, I would have went neutral then. This is really climactic kind of action. So you got a lot of people chasing this at this point in time. This is double the previous largest volume bars. And so, it's become very popular, very crowded. I'm going to step off that train. I'll still watch this, see if something else develops. But right now, I'm kind of done with this. There is a ETF REMX for rare earth materials, but it was also up a lot last week. Not like this, but it was up. So I'm going to watch that and see if I can get involved in that at some point in time. But I certainly wouldn't buy it where it closed. So here you can see we hit a higher high and we got a little bit of a lower high here. So if this turns down now, we'd have a negative divergence here. And we got this big volume bar. So again, I'm not trying to pick the exact top or the exact bottom. I'm trying to profit when I can. The other thing that's turning me neutral here is the point and figure chart. This is a poll, as I've explained previously on other stocks, where you get more than 10 rows, 10 boxes of X's in a row. Same in a downtrend. If you get 10 boxes of O's in a downtrend, that can signal an exhaustive kind of a move. Again, I would have liked to got it closer to the top, going to neutral, corrected a little bit already, but there's a big gap up the last 2 days, and just think it's time to get out of here for a while. It's also reached its price projection based on the point and figure chart. So the reward to risk is no longer favorable, and I'm going to step off. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, Profitable Investing with Technical Analysis. Please like and subscribe. Some of the other buy recommendations that I've made, I think are really good opportunities right now. And I'm going to list those in order. Hopefully, I can do that tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a great evening. Talk to you soon. Adios.